This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro versus the Xiaomi Mi 9. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. They're both on Android 9. They're both on their latest version of MIUI. K20 Pro, this one has 8 gigs of RAM. The Mi 9 has 6 gigs. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Gotta give the boot up win by a considerable margin to the Xiaomi K20 Pro. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Tie. Messages. Tie again. The camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder, and let's go. Give the win to the K20. Clock on both phones. We'll run the stopwatch and leave that running. Chrome. A little bit of a lag on the K20 right there. Do a search for GSM Arena. Go. Ooh, the Mi 9, a little bit ahead. We'll go to the desktop version. Go. Ooh, so close. You guys are the judges. Pinch to zoom on the Mi 9. Nice and smooth. Do the same thing on the K20 Pro. Nice and smooth as well. Really no difference when it comes to the browsing, as you can see. Do it at the same time. Take your pick. The calculator. Draw. Play Store. Draw again. We'll click on where's my favorite? Where's the TikTok app? My favorite. I don't see it. Go. And we'll click on it. Go ahead and install it. Psych. Hell no. Leave it right there. Amazon shopping. Oh, very close. Maybe the K20 on that one by a little bit. Click on the deal of the day and we'll leave it right there. eBay. K20 a little bit ahead. We'll click on this iPhone. And a little bit faster on the Mi 9. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see. Ooh, very close. Maybe the K20 by a split second. Slow down the video to confirm that. We'll tap to begin. Very close when actually running the game. Temple Run 2. And a little bit of an extra download here on the Mi 9. So take this one with a grain of salt. Still very close. Huh, okay, well this one had to download an extra file, so take this with a grain of salt. We'll leave it there. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Looks like the K20 is out in front. Will the Mi 9 catch up? Kinda doubt it. And give the win to the K20 Pro on this. Asphalt 9. Ooh, I think the K20 is ahead. And give the win to the K20 Pro. Get rid of that. Tap this once. PubG Mobile. Ooh, the K20 is ahead. Checking for updates real quick. Loading on both right now. Ooh, give the win to the K20 Pro. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. What is this? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Too many prompts. Adobe Photoshop Express. Both phones have this 8K image. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the charm filter on both, and I'm gonna click on charm 1. Jack this filter up to the max, as you can see, and we'll click on that I'm gonna go ahead and save the gallery, see which one will do this faster, and let's go. A little bit faster on the K20 Pro. Twitter. A little bit faster on the left. Instagram. Draw pretty much. Snapchat. Very close. You guys are the judges. Let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background. As you can see, love the way how MIUI does the app switching here. Very unique, love it. We'll run through the apps again and let's see what happens. Now keep in mind, Mi 9 has 6 gigs of RAM. So we'll see if it can keep everything in RAM. No lag yet on both. Ooh, a little bit of a lag here on the right. Again, this one has 6 gigs and reload already on the Mi 9. K20 kept it there. Another reload on the right, so you can see. So that's gonna be the difference between 6 and 8 gigs of RAM. Both lagged on the eBay though, Amazon, and both are lagging. Interesting. Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place. GSM Arena, still there. Clock, still running the stopwatch. Camera, there you have it. Messages, same thing. And the phone app, draw, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like Xiaomi phones? Do you have yourself the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro? Or do you have yourself the Xiaomi Mi 9? Or maybe you have yourself the Xiaomi Mi Mix series of phones? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.